Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Make sure you check out our new website. It is awesome. We have some huge things coming in the near future, and now we have the ultimate platform and foundation to move forward. It's very nice to see a live chat today with over 110 people in there. Doing really well. Very lucrative day for everybody. And it's just going to get better and better as we move forward towards the new year. So if you're ready to change your portfolio, make sure you become a member. There is no more lifetime membership. That is over. We do have 6-month and yearly offers. You're more than welcome to join us. If you want the chat, please go with the gold. If you don't want live chat, please go with the silver. All right, let's get right into it today. PCLN, it's doing absolutely fantastic from where we were. We down here had this double bottom, ran this all the way up here so far, doing very well on those options. Peeled some off. Probably have a couple left here to just come up and try and get this gap. We got a little bit of a gap right there. If you guys don't know what a gap is where no trades have taken place, okay? As you can see, here's a gap right here that we had prior to all this action. But we had a gap right here when it gapped down, it gapped up, I'm sorry, and then it gapped down. So we have a double gap right here, and look what happens. You double bottom, you triple bottom, whatever, came up, and guess what it did? It filled this gap. See that? Okay, so now we came down again, and we have a gap up here. So a nice measure move is going to be a little bit higher to the upside, and get this here, was very lucrative for us. Okay, so we got a little more to go. We're just going to get over this 100-day moving average. So we should get a pop here in the next day or two, finish this off, and then if you're in the live chat room, we'll tell you what's going to happen next, because it's going to be very exciting and fun. All right, so let's take a look at Netflix next. Netflix, fantastic. All right, we are in a do or die situation for Netflix right now, and it is over the middle Bollinger Band, okay, and it is at the trend line right now. All right, so right now, this has to decide what's next. So do we come up and fill the gap, or do we turn and burn? So what I'm thinking is we are going to head up, and if that's the case, it's going to be a lucrative trade. But we have to use caution, because you can see your stochastics is getting a little bit high, okay, and nothing big. Volume, I mean, the derivative oscillator has been sitting up at the top, but we just can't push it higher. So if you're in the chat room with us tomorrow, you will know and understand what the next trade is, so you can make some serious money. All right, so Netflix, stick with us. We will be all over it. So make sure you get a membership. Even try us for 6 months, see if you like it. If you don't, then you're out. 100 and change people, they're enjoying it. All right, SPY doing the same thing. We caught this right here, huge money over all the way up to here, okay. And now we're getting into, we can move this now because we're higher than that. All right, so now we hit that new high over here today and pull back just a smidgen, nothing spectacular. We have a little bit more to go here for a breakout. Looks like we're going to get to 1169 is going to be my target. So some right up here at the upper Bollinger Band, I think we can get a spike up here. And then there's going to be a new plan for SPY, because I have the plan already in place. So if you want to make some serious cash over the next 30 days, you might want to stop in. All right, Amazon real quick. I'm not sure if I did that one yet. I don't think so. No, Amazon's doing really well here off this double bottom. Broke the middle Bollinger Band through the 50-day moving average. Has the 100-day moving average in the way next. Turned up nicely here on the relative strength index. Getting a little aggressive here on the stochastics. So we'll have to see what happens. We have an upside target for that. If you want to join us, you will know. PCLN, we already did that one. We're going to look at one more. IBM. IBM, great job here. We called this run right up to the 50-day moving average. Caught it perfect, and we've been shorting it, and as you can see, it's stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. The rock is going to be the 50-day moving average. The hard place is going to be the middle Bollinger Band on the daily. But we have puts, and we are going to make some big green on them. We do have our target set in place, and we will get that target, and then we will know what's going to happen from there. But for now, you can ride IBM to the downside, but there is a spot where it's going to bounce to the upside. So make sure you are with us so you can maximize these trade potentials. All right, this is Matt over MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Make sure you check out our website. Make sure you join for 6 months. Check us out. Hey, if you're not happy and you're not making money, fine. If you are, then you are. All right. Have yourself a great night, everyone. See you tomorrow.